You suck!
Yo. I'm not laughing, bro.
You suck!
Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Junior from Junior's Life, and I'm back with another banger, you know what I'm saying? And in today's video, we gonna be dyeing my starter dreadlock, you know what I'm saying? I got the hang time, you know what I'm saying? They moved and stopped playing with me. You know, I just got these like yesterday. My sister put me on hot today, gave me some twists. You know, she got me in the AMs, you know, stop playing with me, you know what I'm saying? Stop playing with me, you know what I'm saying? Now, today we're gonna be dyeing the tips of my dreadlocks. Now, I was thinking of dyeing all of them, because to be honest, it's quarantine, you know what I'm saying? Do whatever the fuck you want, it don't really matter. You know what I'm saying? Because if I didn't like them, I'd be dyeing back black. You know what I'm saying? Or I just cut my hair off and start over. You know what I'm saying? I don't really care. But you know, you're gonna be dyeing the tips of them. I'm gonna see how long they can get before school starts. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna get into the video now. Alright guys, let's start off for the color that we're gonna be using. We're gonna be using, you know what I'm saying, light blonde, you know what I'm saying? Easy, color easy, whatever you call this. Okay, so what you want to do, you're going to open this. This is like the thing that's inside of it, the color thing. You just, you got this shaken up to the point where you don't really hear it no more. You want to, see they have this thing on there, you want to break it out, you know, damn. Alright, y'all, I got my shit in the bun. I accidentally messed up on the first one. I accidentally put down the accent, but then I realized putting it all in like sections like this would be much easier. So like this, you know, tap, tap, simple, you know what I'm saying? So now we're gonna start.
Shut the fuck up.
Alright guys, so it's been about, you know what I'm saying, 40-ish minutes, you know what I'm saying? So I can already see the brown starting to form in my dread. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go hop in the shower, we're gonna wash my scalp, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna rinse my shit, you know, we're gonna drench my shit, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna drown my shit, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go do that in the shower, we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you the results. Damn, stop fucking calling me.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Alright guys, we're back. We finished, we patted everything down, you know what I'm saying? We patted everything down, you know what I'm saying? Now we're about to do the big reveal, you know what I'm saying? The big reveal. You know, 3, 2, 1. Take that shit off. No. Definitely not bad. Definitely not bad. This is what they look like, basically. Alright, y'all. These are my dreads, you know what I'm saying? This is what they look like, you know what I'm saying? After the wash, you know what I'm saying? Not bad, not bad for some starter lock, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna need a fresh haircut. I'm gonna need a haircut, you know what I'm saying? I was trying to do like a fade or some shit like that. I didn't finish it. But I think I'm finished. I was just trying to do a fade and then line up, you know, because I need a fucking haircut. Anyways, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just like moisturize and do all that shit to my hair. Then I'm gonna show you how it looks when I'm officially done with everything. Alright guys, I'm done with the tutorial. These are my dreads after I finish dyeing them, you know what I'm saying? They're decent, you know what I'm saying? Some decent, some decent, you know what I'm saying? Now all we gotta do is wait for these bitches to grow and we gonna be straight, you know what I'm saying? We gonna be straight. But yeah, this me dyeing my hair, you know what I'm saying? These are the dried dreadlocks, you know what I'm saying? So I wait for these bad boys to fully grow in. And we gonna be straight, you know what I'm saying? It's been your boy Junior from Junior's Life, and I'm out. Gang. Hey. Hey, gang.